Let's see what a pulse flow technology CBW washer looks like when processing goods. The Recirc 1 pump wets down the goods as they enter the load scoop and infuses chemicals into the load quickly, ensuring the wash process starts in Module 1. The divided pulse flow tank is the single distribution point for all water to the CBW. Water recovered from the extraction device is sent to the reuse section of the pulse flow tank. A linen supply machine has an optional water source for color change. Standing bath occurs for the majority of the cycle time, so chemicals are allowed to do their job without being diluted and soluble soils are suspended. Then, for a very short portion of each cycle, high-velocity counterflow is applied, pulse flow. The beginning of the pulse flow cycle is reuse water from the divided tank. The remainder of the pulse flow cycle is fresh water, so the last water seen by the goods is fresh. The pulse flow cycle provides the first part of the required dilution effect. The second stage of dilution, true top transfer, ensures the goods move into far cleaner water every time. Milnor CBW washers lift each batch of goods, drain the free water, then slide the goods into the next module where they are introduced into cleaner water. Only the water absorbed in the goods moves forward, ensuring significant dilution occurs during transfer. Milnor CBW washers with pulse flow technology achieve very low freshwater consumption. For light soil linen, the expected water consumption is as low as 0.3 gallons per pound, or 2.5 liters per kilogram. On heavily soiled items such as bar towels, the expected water consumption is as low as 0.5 gallons per pound, or 4.2 liters per kilogram. Lower water usage and recycling water means less water to heat to programmed wash temperatures, and new low-temperature chemical formulas work very well in the pulse flow washer, lowering energy use even more. Pulse flow is easily adaptable to steamless and package boiler configurations.